So welcome to the FitLife Training app. Right here is your home button on your screen, and you'll see different birthdays. You'll see different definitions and explanations of what things mean that you'll see in the app. So if you need any information on stretching or terms, go to the homepage. This right here, the workout button, is where you'll find all the workout programs, and this is the sweat program. This is a high-intensity bodybuilding, which is essentially HIIT training. You'll find that section here, and you'll be able to even upload your stats for the day. So if you want to, we'll switch to a different day. If you want to upload your scores, like the weight you use, you just sign in right here, and then you type in the info of whatever you did. So let's just say we did 135. Typed in my note about it. You can even add a video of what you did in there so you can save it to your profile. Press save, and then we'll go to the leaderboard at the top and just check out to see what other people have done. Now at the very top, you can see the different sections for the day that people have plugged in scores. You can see where you're at. You can like other people's scores and so on. So we'll go next to the date section, and we'll just toggle to different dates, and you can even go back 6 months to a year and see all of the programming that we've done in the past if you wanted to follow a different style of programming. Top left-hand corner, we have the different kinds of workouts. At the top, you have the Big Booty Aesthetics, which is a bodybuilding program for legs, if you're trying to shape and tone your legs. Each different section right here is a different genre of workout, so you just need to choose what works best for you. But other than that, if you have any questions about the app or have any issues going on, please text us or email us or whatever you need to do, and we'll get you taken care of. But it's pretty straightforward, so let's get it.